Good day everyone, especially to my professor in EM 213 Advanced Administration, Dr. Manuel Roman. I am Chris O. Condes, your presenter. Today, I will discuss to you the steps in planning process, especially in planning school site. Having a plan and sticking to it may sound simple, but in most organization or institution, planning is complex. It involves steps and it is necessary and crucial to success. According to the reference we have, DepEd Order number 36 series of 2022, these are the guidelines to ensure that educational facilities are safe, functional, and to learning. Step 1. Need assessment. In this step, we need to assess the following. We need to undergo an enrollment assess analysis. We need evaluate current and projected learners, enrollment to determine the number of classroom and facilities required. Next is facility evaluation. We need to assess the condition of existing facilities, identify needs for new construction, repair, or upgrades. Step 2. Set a site selection and analysis. In these steps, we have location assessment. We need to choose a site that is accessible, safe, and environmentally suitable for school setting. Next is the legal documentation. This is the most important in finding a site. We need to ensure that the site has a valid ownership documents or a usufruct agreement with the local government unit or LGU or National Commission on Indigenous People or NCIP for those area under the territory of ancestral domain or ancestral land. Step 3. We need the development of site development plan. Comprehensive layout, create a graphic representation of the current infrastructure and proposed future project within the school site. Next is inclusion of key element. The school development plan should show property boundaries, existing and proposed structure, circulation element, and natural features. Step 4. Compliance with the minimum performance standard and specification. This is crucial because we need to follow the design standard to ensure that all facilities meet the minimum performance standard and specification for educational facilities, covering aspects such as school classroom size, lighting, ventilation, and safety features. Next is budgeting and resources allocation. In these steps, we need to consider the cost estimation to prepare detailed cost estimate for construction, renovation, and maintenance for the construction. Next is finding sources. We need to identify the potential funding sources, including government allocation, community contribution, and partnership. Step 6. Stakeholder engagement. Community involvement. Engage teachers, parents, learners, and community members in the planning process to ensure the facilities meet the needs of all stakeholders. Next, feedback mechanism. It is important to establish channels for stakeholders to provide input and feedback during the planning and implementation. Step 7. The implementation and monitoring. In these steps, we need to implement or to monitor the progress of our school site. First, we need the project management to oversee the construction and development process to ensure adherence to plans, timelines, and budgets. After that, we need to monitoring. Regularly assess the progress and quality of work, making adjustments as necessary to address any issues that arise. By following the steps and adhering to DepEd guidelines, school can develop facilities that are well planned, compliant with national standards, and responsive to the educational needs of the community. Thank you very much for watching my video. More power and God bless us all. Thank you.